And this is why it's out to come out to you from see where I live. And memorizing the elements of the periodic table, especially the chemical symbols of the same mentioned table. Pneumatic devices has to be used or employed to simplify or make easy memorization, especially for the chemical symbols. For example, it's hard to find a word or a way to remember that capital Zn for zinc, and it has an atomic number of 30. I have to find ways to memorize that, and so I use words, I use sentences, and so it took me a long time. I went to the computer to look up the words with Zn, and they gave me nothing but very difficult and more work to do words. You know, you have to look for the definitions of them and everything. Foreign words that it makes it harder to memorize the Zn. So I devised words and sentences that can help me. Although they're very few in number, I think it will suffice if I need to memorize them. Here's an example I found for Zn, for zinc, for atomic number 30. Quiz night. See that? Quiz night. I put a line underneath the Z and the N, and that's 30 for atomic number. Buzz noise. Buzz noise. Zn, capital Z, small n, 30. Oz Nelson, like remember Ozzy and Harriet? Ozzy Nelson? Well, I used the first name. Oz Nelson, Zn, 30 in the bottom. Klut Zn. I know it has a C here instead of a K, but the K can be used. It's a German word. 30 at the bottom. How about sentences? Here's a sentence. It's a cheese whiz night, tonight. Z and N for night. Put a line, 30. Rit Zn, Zn. That's a mistake there. I put there by accident. Zn. Rit Zn, cheese nut crackers. You see the cheese nut? Zn. My dumb klutz nephew. Zn. I'm going to write this all down in the description box below, so you can too may want to memorize these example or pneumatic devices for remembering that Zn is for zinc with an atomic number of 30. All right? This is Wise Out 2 coming at you from the sea where I live over and out.